Hello, I am Jahanara, Assistant Headmaster Nisha Chutma Vidyalaya Tungi, Gazipur from Bangladesh, a very beautiful country in South Asia. I am an English teacher, and as an English teacher, I have 16 years of experience in my career and have an opportunity to teach my students, especially on English language, uh, literature, different cultural activities of both home and abroad, and to take part in collaborate with international partner school and on the world based on SDG 4 quality education. Actually, while I try to involve my students or handle to run the activities on SDC4, I face lots of problem and all the problems actually indicate on gender inequality in education system. Sometimes inside the classroom or outside the four walls of the school, actually I face it. And I believe that for family purpose or social circumstances, our poor sections of people are unwilling to send their female children to go to a school or to receive education, and for that reason, at the middle way, their education life is stopped, and it creates a great obstacle to spread a healthy environment of quality education. It's a challenge for the third world country like Bangladesh for each and every teachers, resources, and educationists. But to ensure equal opportunities and ends discrimination in education systems, every government has its own policy. And in this respect, my government has taken some initiative steps to reduce inequality in education system. Our government made primary education compulsory to all, a stipend arrangement for girls and boys of the both sections, giving new textbook freely, supplying internet facility, arranging different types of training section for the teachers and the students to cope with the changing world and situation. I think as a teacher, we have also some responsibility in the classroom so that our students, especially girls who are actually deprived of basic rights in the society, they can be able to cope with the new situation and they can think critically and solve their problem actually. And I also believe that a government can intervene to promote equity and reduce inequality and poverty through the tax and benefit systems. It helps to reduce income inequality, which is actually related to education, good health, and well being, and can create peace and harmony in the society. If we reduce all kinds of inequality in the society, then we will be benefited and can be able to establish a nice society and a nice environment for all. Thanks for today. Thank you.